Hi, today we have come with a review of this more new product. It's a new Xiaomi USB hub. It's a 2.0 USB splitter. It's a expander for your USB port when you then run out of USB ports and you need some things for charging. So you need more space for charging, and I just received it from Singapore. Let's open it and see how it's like. The box is pretty good. It has all the information on the back for it's a vintage car, and you can see the box is very good. It came from China. I ordered on China and it came from Singapore. So I think they have a warehouse in Singapore. It comes nicely packed in this plastic box with this brochure. It has all the information you need for using this product, and it's a simple this. And you can see it's a vintage car based on a 1945 Ferrari, I think, because this car it looks like a Ferrari 1945 model. It's a vintage car, and it's very nicely made and nicely packed. Let's take it out, and you see it has these nice tires to it, and they are rotatable, and it has this nice look to this USB port. It looks very nice on your home or on your office table, anywhere. The price is about $8. Let's open it. It opens like this, and you see it's a 4-port USB. You can easily put it on your computer or anywhere you need charging, and it's made by a good company. Xiaomi is very famous nowadays, and it's a car shaped portable USB expander. The quality is pretty good. It's made of good quality plastic, and it's a new product.